I am live in the building. I'm live again. Welcome, 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 welcome. All right. Why is this thing now? Just give it a moment. It will come up now. Good evening, good afternoon. Let's see. Oh, man. No, why is this thing? Hi, good evening, guys. I am back. I'm back. Yeah, I took a break for the past 2 days. All right, so I'm trading gold. I'm still bullish on gold though. Let me just check. We've seen price might break a new high right here. So I'm expecting. Let me just go to the 4 hour and check. I'm actually expecting price to move to 70. However, gold was bullish the whole day. Since this morning at 10, it broke this high here, right here. You can see it was a demand zone. It tapped into that demand zone again right here, and it's continuing bullish. So I'm looking to see what price is going to do around this area now. Hi, welcome. Right, let's look at gold. So I'm noticing this candle, strong bullish candle, breaking these highs here. However, I do think price wants to come back into this area before it continues up. Let me just wait for this 15-minute candle to close to see what price wants to do. Um, if it is going to continue upwards, I do think it's heading now for 3070. We have seen the market being strongly bullish. To be honest, I don't really want to take sells. I took a sell this morning on the first break and I got stopped out. So yeah, right here, where was it? Yeah, it was around here. So here, I thought that double top was going to be respected, but then price broke that high again. So we got stopped out on that sell there, and price continued moving up. From 3035, we can see gold has been trending up to 3060, and that was like 240 pops. Pulleys. During New York, price came down, tapped into this demand again, and then it continued going up. So my thinking is now that price broke these highs here, especially this high, price wants to continue going up and make a new high. That is what I'm looking to find. These two candles on the 15-minute, right? This is a nice rejection here. If you look at these, so let's see if this zone gets respected by price. What I mean by that, if price goes below and breaks and close below the zone, then I don't see price continuing now up. It's all about timing. So this is almost at the end of the New York session, the overlap with the London session. So I will wait and see. It's still early, so I'm just waiting for price to show me more momentum to the upside. If not, then the only time I will look for sales is when it breaks below this and comes below this key area. Yeah. Right. Let me just see, check something. I'm watching on the 15-minute for structure now. All right, well, that's a nice rejection that we are seeing, but I will wait for it to that candle to close before I make any decisions to enter. I'm going to upload a video soon on my channel explaining this week the two trades I took. I took a trade on Tuesday and I took a trade this morning. Where those are what two trade setups that I took that is in my trading plan based on my process. And both of them I did not make money. I actually lost money. Both of them hit my stop loss this morning, also hit my stop loss, and then I re-entered, and then we were up in profits, but it never went to my TP, and price pulled back, and then it hit my stop loss. So I would like to share my experience with what the the realness of the emotion, because I went through a emotional roller coaster after that, because I didn't want to accept the fact that I just lost the trade after I've been up in profits. So those are the things that does happen, and I've learned so much. I've learned a lot from those two trades, and I want to document it on my channel for myself to come back to and see it and know it and be aware of it, because I do think that you can be a profitable trader and you can still make those type of mistakes. I made the first mistake I made. I was selling. I sold gold. I tried to sell the market, but also I was faked out, and the signs was there. The signs was definitely there that I should not take that sell, but I did not wait for all my confirmations. That is now on the technical side. But when it comes to the risk management, I had come to the market with a set target in mind. I didn't want to take the profit when I was up, because I wanted to make a cert for the week. I set a target for a percentage for the week overall. So that in itself, coming to the market with that set target in my mind, I try to force the market. I try to make the market move to my TP. But I've learned my lesson. It's the market will always move the weight. And with this elections and the political things that's happening in the world, the markets is not trending like it's like last year where it was not so volatile. It's very volatile. Like gold will move 40 pips up and then it will just reverse. I've seen that happening this week and it was like shocking for me. But yeah, I need to accept that the market conditions is also not the same. So you have to adapt your trading to that. And yes, you will make mistakes. Just at least I didn't blow an account, At least I didn't mess up so much that I can't recover. Yes, I took two massive losses. And it wasn't a nice feeling. It was um that's also the reason why I didn't live trade. I think on Monday, last week Monday, I didn't. Oh, is it this Monday? We didn't take a trade the morning, but I was mentally too drained. I couldn't still come on a live and try to make money. That's another thing I've learned to protect my mental capacity because my mental energy, I underestimated myself when it comes to trading, sharing my trades with people, live trading, and still helping other people managing their trades. It takes a lot of me, and I need to take some breaks in between. I work a job, so it's not like I have the luxury to just rest and take breaks. So I need to be mindful of those things as well. So yeah, this week was a lot of reflection on my side. On Sunday, I did my reflections. I'm gonna close this. Why this stuff keeps coming up? Okay, that looks like a strong berry candle there. I'm just waiting for this candle to close in order to see what price wants to do. To be honest, I don't want to sell in this market. It's not safe to sell. I must say, this is another lesson I learned this week. It's not safe to sell gold, not at this time. Yes, it does give us some pullback moves. Like, yeah, it's pullback moves, but it's risky to trade from. It's better to trade gold with the trend. Go with the trend because we saw this reversal pattern. Was it last week? Yeah, there's a reversal pattern. Yeah, when it touched it, when it came to touch 3050, and then it started dropping, and you would thought. And I said it's gonna come to the key area at 3000, and you saw it came back here, and then it started to consolidate and then started moving upwards. I didn't expect it. I thought it's gonna come more down to maybe even come back to 2955, but nope, gold decided to continue all the way up. So I've learned not to take sales now. If that's my lesson for this week. A lot of self-reflection is going to go into that. Selling in the overall bullish market. The bullish market is too strong. The momentum is strong. Yes, I'm trying to find setups, opportunities within the session that I'm trading, especially in the London. The London was kicking my ass this week. It was dreadful taking those losses. And the annoying part of it was taking the setup, you're up in a little bit profit. It's not even Tuesday's trade came close to our TP1. And I said, no, it looks so good. I'm going to hold to TP2. And that's when price reversed on us. So we were in profits. We made money, but then we didn't take profit because I wanted it to move to TP2. And that was so quick. Same thing happened this morning. I saw the fake out. I entered on the first break, retest, supply zone, entered, price came back. We lost like 0.2%. Re-entered after that again, and then we were up. in profits, but then just before it went to TP, just before it hit TP, the price reversed and it started to change the direction and continue going bullish. So I was trying to sell in the London session and price was like, nah, not ready for that now. All right, so this candle is about to close. As you can see, there's a red candle. I would like for it not to break this zone. Otherwise, it's going to sell off and I don't want to take sales tonight. Um, it's good if you first set, we can target this higher. We can make some decent profits if we target this higher as our TP1 and TP2 like around here. There's no liquidity to the left, so it's hard to actually base the get a. But I'm using these key levels, like you can see, I'm using key areas. So I'm basing my profit zones on those ones. Okay, so look at the 15 minute, that candle just closed now. So that means for me that is still showing bullish momentum is strong in the market. We would like to see price breaking out of our zone. That is beautiful. Let's enter some two positions. I'm going to enter early on this as let's see. If we enter around here, I need the stop loss to be at least below that wick. That hasn't closed so good. Didn't really close that good. What happened here now? Boom, 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 boom. All right. Once it breaks out of this zone here, you can enter at around. That's my entry. I'm looking at adding on to 3052. Very tight stop loss here. Okay, okay. It's almost 7, so I'm actually waiting for that 1 hour candle also to close just to get more confirmation. It's now hunting stop loss again. Let's see. So maybe want to touch the key area again. Let's see, let's see. All right. I just want to check something quick. It looks like it wants to come and touch the key area. But like I said, if it breaks below and close below this key area, then we give up on this pie setup. I don't like that type of close because that means that 5 minute candle is also closing there now. You see, it's breaking out of the zone, so that means the zone is not valid anymore. Ah, not good. Out. So now that's the same way we were got fake out this morning. Let me just see. We know it still wants to continue bullies, but it just does. Don't tell me it just want to come and retest this week here. Because if it's now going to come all the way down here again and then continue up, is that what you want to do? Let me just check. Now, this is what gold did this morning also. I'm waiting to see when this candle close, where it's going to close. It's annoying though. Because I hope it's not planning to come all the way down here. Then wants to continue up. Because it already came down here and respected this demand zone at the bottom. Like if you had your TP here. You see, it's currently on this 3050. That's a key, very much key area. And that's the reason also why if it breaks and it closes below that area, that means its price then still wants to continue coming down to the next key area, which will be at 3030 here. Right here. 3030. So let's wait. It's still early, it's before 7. Normally we wait for that 7 p.m. So it's about 7 minutes for this candle to close and look, just check it. So once we start seeing price breakout out of this demand zone, let me just get my chart. That's when I will continue taking buys. Yep, I see this now. That's strong. Close in our zone. So this is now invalid now. This candle is about to close in 5 minutes. However, that's 5 minute candle. Unless this candle closes above here, we can expect a continuation of the bullish momentum. However, I am not so much convinced how because of this type of price action here. It is in alignment with us. So if we don't get another break of a high, price is going to continue going down. So let's see. This candle is closing in 5 minutes. And I don't think I'm going to take a sell because, yes, I would say price, if it drops now, if it breaks here, retest maybe come down. 3036. This is where it wants to come to 3036. Just to retest this previous breakout. According to structure, price will drop to 3036 right here and retest if it's going to drop. Hi Rosalind, yes, I explained to the team where I was. I'm back, I'm back. I'm back with the lives. Mm. No, I explained like I underestimated the mental capacity, the toll it takes on my mental capacity trading in the morning in the London session and trading live in the evening. So Monday I took a break. Tuesday I did not take trades. On the evening I took a trade in the morning and we took a loss in the morning. So I didn't trade the evening, and yeah, tonight is a different story. What's happening here? Let me see. Yeah, no, we're getting a break of a low. So this means once this candle close here, now I'm going to remove the zone because then we can look at sells. I do think you see this demand here. That price will come back to this demand. This might be a pullback because we have been bullish since this morning when price broke out. Um, the same could happen like here. Do I want to trade this? Let's see. Let's first see. All depends on our structure. Yeah. I'm gonna remove this now. Oh wait. Wait for this candle to close before I remove it. So this candle, you can clearly see that this demand zone is invalid now because on these weeks it was still valid because price was wicking off, but then this body candle closed not just in the demand zone, but it also closed below now. Waiting for it to now move. 1 minute. If it close now below, then definitely structure, very structure is coming into the market. I do think price wants to come down to, since it broke retest, coming down to this demand zone again. Oops. And it's 7 o'clock now, so let me check. Oh, yeah, no. It does look strong berries now. Yep, strong berries. Let me just remove this here. Yep, strong bearish momentum. So this will be your zone. So ideally, I would if we can get a retest. Let me just see if this will make somehow sense. Yep. So we see this kind of break here, and it's closing below this key area. All right. And the 1 hour candle just closed. If I take all of these away, this is that 1 hour candle. The reason why, if you check on the one hour, this is a key area. This is a previous high right here. Let me just delete. Okay, it's pulling back now. It's a pullback. I want to see. Okay, that's a beautiful pullback. I think it still want to pull back more to this area. I actually want to come back more in the zone. Let me see. Let's wait for it to touch our zone. The reason why the stop loss is here is for this week, because price might come and retest the zone and then start to drop. Let's wait. Let's see. Okay, it looks good. Or alrighty, let's see. Let's see. Um, 30515 entry. Okay, I don't think it's gonna trend so far. Let's say we're trending to TP1. All right, I'm gonna enter 1-1 position very soon. Let's see. All right, it's touching our zone. Let's wait for that rejection. It's in our zone now. It's like I'm waiting for that rejection and then I'll enter cells. Just bring this up. Okay, it's starting to reject now. Let's wait. Okay, it's rejecting nicely. Just put this there. All right, I'm in. Let's see what the market's gonna give us. First target around here. It's pulled back and so. Okay, let's go. If we can get it to break below that key area below 3050, right here at this key area, then it would be awesome. We need the price to break below here. 3050. Let's see where this candle closed. Come on, let's go. It is a counter trend setup. We're just looking to scalp it. We're just looking to scalp this market. Now you see, right at 3050, touched there and it didn't break, and then now it's starting to pull back. Come on. Okay, let's see what happens in the next 2 minutes. I think price wants to retest now the zone again, and I'm not happy about that. Before it's starting to drop. Okay. It is a risky trade. We are selling in a buy overall bullish market. So this is risky. I would not say bet your whole life on the setup. Just be aware of the risk. Some trades you have to go in big, but this is not it. This is an extremely risky trade setup, and we entered aggressively. To be honest, I don't like the fact that it came back to the zone again. I'm looking at closing once it comes above my wicks here. I know my stop loss is here, but even if it gets below these wicks or this body of this candle, I'm out. I'll cut the loss. Due to the risk, and also we are at the key area. As you can see, we are at 3005. 3050. So bouncing off a key level like that is telling me that you see this on the 15 minute. If price comes above this candle here on the 15 minute, I'm getting out. So my stop loss is like 17 pips away from the entry. So yeah, let's see. That is just how I manage the trade and how I look at it. When I will feel confident that it will play out is when price comes below this key area, below this 3050. If price comes below this key area now, then I'll feel confident in the setup that it could play out. Like I said, it is a counter trend setup. We're selling in the overall bullish market. And look where the candle now closed as we are on sitting on a demand zone. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. Let's see, let's see. The goal is always to cut your losses quick and hold the winners longer. Aim is always to protect the capital, no matter how good the setup looks. But this one, it is a counter trend setup, so I am keeping that in mind. And if you never take losses in trading, there's no one can tell you that they never take losses in trading. Ta-da-da. Let's see. Come on, go. As long as you understand why you lost the trade. Most of the time, it's you yourself who's the problem. Your own discipline, your own mental risk management, not knowing when to stop. I'm talking to myself, I'm talking about myself. Wanting to overtrade, wanting to revenge trade, all of those things. Let's go. That's why you have to be excited about, just like you're excited about the wins, you have to be excited about the losses too. That's what makes trading so hard. Come on. I'm excited for this month. I'm for the new month, April. Exciting things coming to this channel, to my journey, my trading journey. I've reached some milestones that I would love to share, but when the time is right. Let's go. Can you just check here to the left? The very same pattern is happening here, and look how strong price dropped. Oops. After it broke through this 3050. Can you see here this candle? It's right here at my key area. Once it dropped below, price continued all the way down and came back to our demand zone. So basically, the similar what I'm seeing that could happen. However, I don't like this pullback in terms of the fact that it closed above the 305. That's the only reason on the 15-minute. So yeah, like I said, I don't like it. And gold has been strong bullish like this past 2 weeks, this whole month, last month. So we know in what direction the momentum is. This is just a counter trend setup. Came to to our zone now for the third time. If it doesn't move now, then I don't think it's going to drop after this one. Hi, Pazira. Look where the candle closed. I hate it. That it literally closed slightly in our zone. Whereas all these candles just came to retest and then week off. Hence, I don't like it. I don't like how that candle closed now. Now let's see. And this was like 1, 2, 3. This is now the fourth candle, fourth touch in our zone. Something's here. Okay, so this candle is about to close in 1 minute and it is looking good. So let's see. All right. We're selling, we are in sales. Okay, that looks good. So that's the break I wanted. I needed this break at least, but I need this candle to close below. That strong momentum showing that it's going to drop, but I'm not convinced yet. We need to see this candle close below our 3050, so nothing to get excited about. That 15-minute candle does look good. It's giving us a good bearish candle. So let's see. Come on, we need for you to break these lows now. Start breaking these lows now. I think it's going to drop. All the signs is there. It's respecting the zone so beautiful. The supply zone is still valid. It's these candles rejected off this so beautifully. Strong momentum on the 1 hour. We have strong bearish momentum. Like I said, I am trying to trade it to this demand zone. So let's see what's gonna happen next. Okay, that's more like it. Come on, gold. That's more like it. I'll be satisfied with 500 since it is a counter trend setup. He's about to break that low now. Let's go. Mm, all right. But at this point, I'm thinking of moving our stop loss a bit closer. Remember, I had the stop loss here. So your stop loss can come back to 3052, not 3052, 305, 2.5. Okay, let's go, let's go. Ooh. Let me just see. Yeah, it's pulling back so strong now. Looks like it wants to come and retest again our zone. Now it's just pulling back. This is counter trend. That's why I don't expect much from gold here. At this point, I feel like if it gets to my 400, I'll take it. Still below our key area though. So let's wait it out. It was moving so nicely now. Come on. Oh man. Why are you pulling back like that? It's coming back to our zone again. Come on, let's go now. Let's drop now, man. Starting to play so bad now. We thought that was it. For a fourth time it came back. Price came back to 3051. Sellers are pushing hard, but the buyers are like super strong. Hmm. It's one of those ones where we just have to wait it out. I changed my stop loss. I'm gonna change it to 3052. No gold. What are you doing? Just waiting for this candle to close one more minute. Let's check here. Look, it's not at our zone yet, and it's also these weeks are still being respected on the 15 minute. This candle is also still moving. It's not didn't close yet. So I'm still confident that price is going to drop. Do I think it's gonna come all the way down here tonight? Nope. I don't think it's gonna drop till here tonight because the market closed within 2 hours. But it's still going to drop at least around 3040, 304142 around there. You see, these highs has not been broken yet, so still bearish. Come on, let's go now. We don't need another pullback to the zone. We just need a drop now. Let's go, gold. Sellers are fighting hard now to keep price down. Sentence behind the waters. That's more like it. That's more like it. The fact that that candle is just trending on 3050, that key area. I need for you to break. Come on. I'm gonna stand up. Only reason why I'm still confident. Look at this 15 minute. We look where's our zone. Our TP was stop loss was there. This is how it's rejecting off. Yes, this candle did not close yet. I would like this candle to close below this key area. I would really like for it to close. Then we can expect price to continue going down. So don't disappoint us now, man. Why would it? Right. Come on. That's good. Yes, drop now. Let's go. Come on, man. Look, we are at a very strong key area, so If price does not want to break further than this, we are strongly bullish, so I would expect this to happen. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna stand. Don't like it. And now it's at 8 already. The fifth time it's coming back to the zone. That's too many times. Oh no, I don't like how that candle is closed now. Nope, I'm going to close. I'm going to close. I'm not gonna take that chance now. I closed already. Because at 8 this markets the momentum is gonna die down. I got out, I exited now. It is a counter trend setup and it's starting to break these highs now. So I'd rather not take that chance. It is fine. Not the best setup. It's not the best setup. And I expected price to do this now. I just wanna see where this candle is gonna close now. You see, this strong bullish candle, and look where is this? It's a 15-minute candle, and right at our area, and it's now starting to break this high here. That means that the bullish momentum is going to continue, like I said earlier on. It's heading all the way up. Nope. Good thing I didn't hold on to this. Let's see. It's always risky to trade cells in a bullish market. It's always risky. I do expect price to continue going strongly bullish tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. I'm trading the London session, and I will be trading again tomorrow evening. I do expect the price to continue bullish, strong bullish, on gold especially. Um, yeah. So I will end the live at 8 in 5 minutes time. That's a loss for me. I'm accepting the loss. Stop loss got hit right there. I cut my losses here when it started to move. I actually didn't. Yeah. So let's see. I want to see what's gonna happen in the next 4 minutes, man, on this 15-minute candle. Like I said, this is a key area. And we traded off based off this break here. Price came back, and that's how we got faked out. But that comes with the trading, taking sales in a bullish market. I was well aware it is a counter trend setup. Price already came from this morning. This is where it broke out this demand zone. In the London session, we saw strong bullish momentum and then a consolidation when the break happened here at 3050. This is the New York session open where price dipped into this demand zone and it then continued going up where it is currently at this 3050. So I don't think it wants to continue coming down. It's for now, it's going to break here, it's gonna move up, break this high right here, and continue moving all the way up to the next key area. Because we are in a strong bullish momentum. Look at that. Look how we started off. And look how this 1 hour candle is about to close now. So yeah, let's just wait it out. TP stop loss has just been hit. on the 15 minute. As you can see, it's in my zone. My zone is invalid now. So I can just delete the zone as well. We got a few rejections off also. Yeah, got it started to see it wanted to break these lows, but then it just refrained and then continued going up. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. I will be back tomorrow night. I don't trade live in London session tomorrow morning, but I do trade the London session as well. So I will be back tomorrow evening. Let me just check here. Tomorrow we don't really have news during our time. We had GDP figures came out this afternoon. Tomorrow it's the core price index. That's also 2:30, but that won't affect us, I think. Let's hope that the market is not crazy tomorrow. So yeah, then I will be back live again tomorrow evening, same time. Have a good evening further. See you guys. Bye.